Samsung has officially announced a couple of gaming monitors under the Odyssey lineup, and one of them is going to be a game changer. It's the Odyssey G9, which is a better one in both and was showcased at the CES 2020 event in Las Vegas. At the event, we got to check out the Odyssey G9, and while it looked good, like a gadget from a sci-fi movie, it practically has a lot to offer as well. The Odyssey G9 is an ultra-wide gaming monitor, and the company claims that it is the world's first dual QHD display, and the resolution is of 5120 x 1440 pixels, so you easily can see how wide it is. The refresh rate that it boasts is 240Hz and the response time is 1 millisecond. It has a 49-inch quantum dot LED display and the aspect ratio of 32:9 and a curvature of 1000R. Even the brightness of this new monitor is high, rated at 1000 CD per meter square. It is a glossy white finish on the Odyssey G9, and the back of the monitor has something called the futuristic Infinity Core Lightning Glowing Rear Core. So, that is the name given by Samsung. It's basically called the Infinity Core, which has lights up on the back, and it's customizable with up to 52 colors and 5 lighting effects. It does look like the Iron Man's arc reactor and does look like something worth showing off, but for gamers who have their setups towards the corner of the room, would not find a need for something like this on the back of the monitor. There is support for the Amd Freesync 2 and Nvidia's G-Sync on the Odyssey G9, so you'd be getting the required gaming experience if you are into professional esports, but only if you can easily view everything on this ultra-wide monitor, where things happen on such width won't be easy to follow with the need for head turning left and right continuously. Based on what we heard from people visiting the Samsung booth to check these monitors, they would be pretty happy to give up their triple monitor setups if Samsung prices this well enough. While the price of the Odyssey G9 is not yet known, it sure won't be affordable enough with those features offered on it. It is made for those who really have a purpose for it, rather than showing off a 1000R curvature monitor with a QHD resolution. I was at the booth watching people try out games on the monitor, and they did struggle to see everything happening on a wide screen in real time, but it's not for the regular users. It's for gamers who know how they have to use those monitors, so it would be a choice only for someone who has used something close to this already and is ready to get to a newer width. So that's it about the Samsung Odyssey G9, and stay tuned for more coverage about the CES 2020 and the things happening around here, and stay tuned on Gizmo Times for more. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.